how to get translations of any languages you need using Google Lens. First open Google and then type your first language and then type 2 and then add your second language which you need to be translated. So in this instance I'm going to translate Sinhala to English. So I'm typing Sinhala. After diving into the search, click the camera icon you see in that corner. It launches Google Lens app automatically and launches the camera so you can project it towards your book. Make sure to provide enough light and